Might get some kooky stuff here, who knows. Something. Got the camera. There we go. Trying for some new unorthodox stuff there. Whoa. This one's definitely a little weird. But, aw. Aw. Poor guy. Soon, bye. Soon it'll be off. Maybe one day you'll even miss it. I mean, of course I want it off for him, you know, but I guess I will miss it in a way. He is really cute. He has such a generally sweet nature, you know, it just really fits him well. What's he gonna do? Oh boy. Oh boy.